The only thing better than watching The Real Housewives is talking about them. And the only thing better than talking about them is literally stepping into their world. With this video guide, you can follow their footsteps to the bars and hotspots where the most memorable moments and notorious catfights have taken place. In the video description, there's a link to a Google map that bookmarks all the places we talk about in this video. Let's do this. The first stop on our tour isn't a bar, but it's right in front of a building on East 31st Street. This was where Bethenny called Jill in season 3 to reconcile their feud. I'm walking down 31st Street, and once you get to the spot, you just know. You want to be right here, and you want to stand right at this angle to kind of capture where Bethenny was at that exact phone call. You need to have some Skinny Girl margarita with you to really commemorate that you're in this spot. And what I'm gonna do is just crack it open. Did you hear that sound? You gotta pour one out for B and Jill. Here we go. Pour a little out and take a swig. That's the good stuff. It definitely feels sad, like there's a heaviness in the air around. It makes you think like what could have been, you know, if that phone call went differently, how that friendship would have been different. People are looking at me. I don't care. We're done with that. On to the next location. When you make your entrance, you really want to skip and strut, preferably in the street, in the traffic trenches, to kind of capture what Kelly was feeling when she walked in to meet Bethenny. The conversation that took place between Bethenny and Kelly in this establishment really just, and I can't wait to go inside. You can tell this is the booth by the curved wooden table. The drink is pretty strong. I can tell already this is gonna be a crazy day. Cheers. I'm up here and you're down here. When you finished your drink, there's only one thing left to do. You have to stand in the foyer and you have to say, I gotta go, I have a day, and skip your way out of there. At the corner of Hudson and Van Dam Street, make a right onto Van Dam, keep walking, and you're gonna arrive at 325 Hudson Street. Here we are. All you crazy stalkers, this is where you're gonna wanna hang out to see your Bravo celebrities going in and out of the Watch What Happens Live studio. Guys, I'm walking towards AOA Bar and Grill, and it's turtle time. This restaurant was a plot line throughout season 7. And you know what? I could really go for a Pinot Grigio right now, so let's do it. Pinot on my head, Pinot on my brain, Pinot in my veins. Let's go to the next spot. We are right outside Biche Cucina, and rumor has it you could get a glass of the ever-elusive Tipsy Girl sparkling rosé here. So I'm gonna go inside and see if that's true. Let's go. Cheers. Tipsy Girl, Cheater brand, delicious. Well, I didn't try it yet. Down the hatch. I just gulped down my Tipsy Girl rosé. I don't think anyone has ever drank a glass that fast before, but we got places to go, people. We are outside Le Meridien, trying to get onto the roof where the infamous Bethenny Wow confrontation took place. This was where they filmed the after party for Countess and Friends in the season 10 finale. Wow, Bethenny. Wow. Walking down the street. Wow, sparkles. Feeling so Giovanni. We're at the Lowe's Regency Hotel, about to walk into the Regency Bar and Grill, where it all went down. It's about Tom. It's not about Tom. It is about Tom. How could you do this to me? Question mark. I really don't want to drink anymore, but we started this together. We need to finish it together. One more drink at the Regency. The free popcorn is just all gone. The apple juice was $25, and that's okay. Sonja's townhouse is just a hop, skip, and a jump away from the Regency. You should be lit enough that you just start walking and you just arrive. We are just gonna have one more swig from our Skinny Girl bottle. We are at the end of our bar crawl, except for one more surprise location. I feel very connected to Ray right now. I have a little bit of Skinny Girl left in my bottle. Have a wonderful night.